In this video, we will learn how to uninstall programs on Windows 10. So let's begin. So to uninstall programs on Windows 10, it has given a really simple interface for that. So if you have installed any program and it is annoying or it is useless for you or occupying the space, you can easily go and uninstall that program. So to uninstall a program, just go to your start and type in here for control panel. So here we have control panel, open it. Once you open a control panel, you can see uninstall a program. Click on this and here we are. Now whatever program you want to uninstall, for example in my case I'm going to uninstall this BlueStacks, so I would right click it, click on uninstall. This would open the uninstall interface, and the uninstaller will begin uninstalling specific program. So we need to wait a little bit for that. So here we are. Now just go and click on uninstall, click on yes, and the uninstall engine will take a bit of a time while uninstalling the program, so you need to wait for that. So here we are. So uninstallation process is completed. Click on completed. So you can see it has successfully uninstalled. So hope it has helped you in uninstalling the program on Windows 10. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.